Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for joining me today and welcome to my art channel. I'm Rinske Dauna and today I'm gonna do a simple Dutch pour on a huge canvas with a white base. I have not used white for quite some time and I have not bought it as well, so I mixed my titanium white with just a little bit of mixed white. I've done an experiment between those two and there were huge results, so let's see how that will work as a base. But I need to mix them with the mixed white because otherwise I don't have enough for the base and this pour, and I definitely want to use a white base today. I have violet, pink colors and also a touch of green. Let's paint. It's time for spring, isn't it? Oh, I long for those first sunbeams and sunny days. So I will be making an acrylic pour, a Dutch pour with colors that remind me of spring. Also, I've been using so much dark base colors lately. It will be nice to do a white and bright one again. Also this year, big canvases, right? So let me make this base. I really can enjoy that the base is on and ready for an acrylic pour. So let me just take my hand across the sides, start pouring the colors. I have a color palette that I've used before and these works were beautiful, but I've used then a split color base. I won't be doing that today because I really want a white and bright painting. I have here a violet red, and then to go with these colors is this yellowish green color. So that will be interesting and probably will make a little bit of brown, but that's okay. I'm also using some gold. And I am starting with my violet red and I would like a sort of side design, so let's go for that. Okay, so I'll start here. Like normally, my beginning is almost always on my left. Somehow that feels very comfortable for me. So let's see what these colors will make together. Well, that's exactly what I was looking for. Oh, aren't these colors just gorgeous? That's so pretty. So what are you guys thinking about the composition? Is it enough for this canvas? Ooh, I love these two cells here with the green. I think the green is so beautiful in this color combination, but the paint is responding so differently. That definitely has something to do with just some of the mixing white in this. So let me know right now in the comments. Do we need something here? Or is this enough? Maybe just a bit here. I don't know. I quite like this. I really have the urge to start torching this painting because I want more of those little green cells there. But I'm scared there will be so much cells and it will get too busy. But maybe just a quick look and see if we can get more of those cells. No, unfortunately not. Quite a lot of white cells popped up. Still like it, it's not too much. Let me see it from different angles to look at the composition. You know, the sides here, yeah, everywhere, they're super weird. Definitely the transparent color. I think this painting is stunning, but I am loving the little parts of green and I would like to have a little bit more of the green. So we're gonna do that. And I'm just using the color that I used in this pour, and that's a yellowish green by Amsterdam. And it is semi-transparent. So here is the dried end result, and I really think the green little parts added to this painting to make it more vibrant and fun and contrasting as well. When I do touch up my pours, then I make sure I don't use an opaque color because I really want them to go soft and a little bit transparent on canvas, and that makes it a lot easier if it's not opaque. So I would love to hear from you what you think, if the green really added to this painting or if you would have left that out. And I hope you love this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. That would really help my channel, and I'll see you next time.